Hello. I forgot to post my takeaway activity for the letter M. So here's my takeaway activity for the letter M. Check it out. So you take a piece of paper. I'm sorry this one was folded. I didn't want to waste the paper, but we do end up folding it anyway. Okay, so we can actually fold it as much or as little as we want, but at least once. Okay, for our letter M, it's called our mix and match. So what we do is we can fold it once long ways, right? Our hot dog and then our hamburger. Okay, we can at least fold it like this, and we can always fold it more. And what I want to do is I want to make at least 4 shapes. So I'll make a circle, I'll make a triangle, I'm gonna make a diamond, I'm gonna make a square. Okay, then I want to cut these shapes out in the fold. All right, so also the more that it's folded, the more resistance there will be in that paper. Okay, remember we can fold it just once if we need, and maybe we're just doing 1 or 2 shapes or 3 shapes. Okay, we can make our shapes harder if we want to upgrade it, right? Maybe our pentagon or trapezoid. I mean, there's some really nice shapes out there. Parallelogram. Okay, and then when we cut it, we're going to end up having 4 of each shape. Okay, so I'm going to do that for all my shapes. Whoop, fast forward. Okay, so I ended up cutting out each shape. It comes out into 4 of each shape. Okay, if we folded it just once over, it would be 2 of each shape. If we fold it more, we would have more. Now we need 4 colored pencils, markers, crayons. So I have purple, blue, green, and I have red. And I can even do this, so they're all the same kind of marker. Okay, now I'm going to color in each shape, so each color. So green, purple, blue, red. Green, purple, blue, red. Green, purple, blue, red. Okay, let me give you a fast forward again. Okay, and we're back. All right, and just a little FYI, that actually takes a little bit of time to do. And especially it could get a little bit messy. Okay, but here's what we do. We end up coloring each one a different color, or you could just use the marker and just maybe draw the shape in that color. So drawing a triangle, drawing a circle, drawing a diamond inside here. That might be the faster way to do it, or if you have the time. Arts and crafts is always my favorite. So just tracing, outlining that shape is going to be the faster route to do it. Okay, then we could take another piece of paper. All right, and with our other piece of paper, all right, this is our previous piece of paper that I used before, but we will use that that same concept. So we fold it accordion style. So we fold it down halfway, hot dog fold, fold it for another hot dog, and fold it for another hot dog. Okay, so now when we unfold it, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accordion style flaps. All right, now on these 8 flaps, now we can make different kinds of mixing and matching challenges. So for our letter M, mix and match. So first of all, we can mix up our shapes here, mix them up, mix them up. And this is something parents can keep at home, or you can keep at home if you're parents watching this. Right? You can keep this at home and do different activities with them. Okay, change it up. You can use this as a good way to practice scanning and looking from one side to the other, right? Our visual perceptual skills. Okay, so you can do a bunch of different things. You can either just do colors. So maybe I'll say red, red, green, green, blue, blue, purple, purple, okay? Or I could just use a pencil and just say square, triangle, circle, diamond, square, triangle, circle, diamond. Sorry for my spacing, right? Or we can do here and just say maybe we'll just say red, here blue, here green. Pardon my handwriting, it's upside down. Here purple. And so on and so forth. And we can make different types of patterns and different types of activities where now, okay, we can do any two red here, any two green here, right? Just some freestyling here. Any two blue, any two purple, right? To complete that pattern, we can always do cutting to cut these out individually here, square, okay? So we can find any square, any triangle, any circle, any diamond, okay? So on and so forth. Here, red, so it could be any red, any blue, any green, okay? Any purple, or it could be all the reds. Find all the reds. Find all the reds, right? So on and so forth. We can do one that's very precise, like a red square, then a blue square, then a green square, then a purple square, and then maybe we start with circles, right? Do a pattern like that. We can always get real fun, like red square, blue, purple triangle. I was gonna do a diamond, right? Blue diamond, green circle, right? Really mixing it up. We can do a bunch of different kinds of patterns. We can do all different kinds of patterns, okay? So either without the colors, either working on finding those colors and matching those colors, or just finding those shapes, matching those shapes. We can do it to handwritten words. We can do it to all squares, all circles of different colors, or we can totally mix it up. Maybe we'll do to handwriting of shapes. So circle, excuse me, circle, square, triangle, diamond, diamond, right? So now we're matching to the words, just like we did here, okay? We're matching either to the colors, matching to the words, I'm sorry, colors, shapes without colors, words, shapes with colors, all of the same shape, of all different shapes, right? So this would probably be like this without the circle, okay? And maybe we just totally mix it up and we do like red, and then we do a picture. And then we say blue, and then we write diamond. Then we do, I guess we have to go back. Then we do green. And maybe we write it out also, circle. Okay, so just all these different, whoa, cool ways of it. And there's actually one more. I just happened to cut one off. But we can make all these different cool patterns. And so for our letter M, I present to you mix and match. Okay, cool? Hope you enjoy. See if you can use it. Hope it's helpful. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.